What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we here, y'all. We got something pretty simple. I've never done it with this vegetable, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So, first thing we're gonna do, I know it's a lot of butter for this one. We gotta make my sauce, but it's gonna be that. Then we're gonna put some Brussels sprouts in it. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Paprika. I didn't think this through. Okay, that's what I didn't think through. I forgot to take the salt and pepper out. So, of course, my pink Himalayan salt. And, of course, pepper. You know, we're just gonna cover it. And once the butter melts, I'll spread it around. Sorry, this thing isn't even. As you can see, it's banged around with my driving and shit. But fuck it. Holla. Alright, y'all. We got some honey here. I went inside the restaurant here and paid for a cup of honey because there's no store nearby. So we're going to drizzle this in here. We don't want it too sweet. And some Sriracha. I don't like that rooster sauce stuff. I like this one. We're going to drizzle this on. And then you already know we got to step it up. Pick up the spice level a little bit. Put in the visual aesthetics. And throw some of this, some of my sun-dried habaneros on there. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take some of these shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to put these in here. Yes, some shiitakes. Shiitakes, baby. Alright, y'all, hold on. Come out. Forgot to unpause. Forgot to pause. There we go. Now we got the shrimp. Oh. There we go. Then we're going to mix it around so that sauce gets on the shrimp too. And that shrimp cooks in the sauce. It smells so good, y'all. And I'm, like I said before, I've never in my life ever made asparagus. This is my first time. And by the little bit I tasted, it tastes freaking amazing. If I must say so myself, I think I'm pretty good at what I do. Y'all leave a comment, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow. I'm actually about to go on home time. Well, I'm on my way to see my daughter, so I know I ain't been posting for a while, but yeah, Lava's still back there. She's hiding away. Yeah, y'all see that Cowboys game yesterday. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we plating up now. We got the rice done. We're gonna put the shrimp in first. some mushrooms and Brussels sprouts on top. I'm only using half of it because I still got to eat tomorrow. Then pour some of that beautiful sauce on top. Alright, y'all, we done. And that is dinner. Boom. Honey Sriracha shrimp with mushrooms and Brussels sprouts instead of broccoli. And I'm gone, baby. Cowboys Nation.